This is Mahmutasan and Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. So first of all, I will select the front plane, and in the front plane, I will draw a square. It is square because it has a dimension of 150 by 150. After drawing that square, I will extrude boss it to in this way, and it has a extrude boss of 88 minus 52 unit. Okay. After that, we can see we have a circular profile here, and this circular profile has a dimension of 40 unit and for circular radius of 40 unit, and from this surface it has a extrude boss of 52 unit. Then we can see we have another circle in the top surface of here, and this circle has a dimension of 24 radius, and if we draw this circle along this plane, okay, I will draw this circle along this plane, and this circle will be radius of 24 unit. Then I will distribute it to up to this surface. Okay, after that we can see from the circle we have another. Okay, first of all, let's draw this portion. So let's go back to our sketch. So I'm selecting the front plane here. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. After that, select the center rectangle from here and draw a center rectangle. And this rectangle has a dimension of 150 by 150 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 88 minus 52. Reverse the direction. Now press OK. Then we can see in our this face we have a circular profile. So right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. After that, select the circle tool from here and draw a circle of 40 radius. So the diameter will be 40 multiplied by 2. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 52 unit. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now from the top plane, now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. And this time we will draw this circular profile, and this circular profile has a distance from here to here is 30 unit. Okay, and it has a radius of 24 unit. So I am selecting a circle from here and drawing a circle along this center line origin. Okay, so this circle has a dimension of 24 radius multiplied by 2, so 48 diameter. Now select the smart dimension tool, and from this circle to this line it has a distance of 30 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to up to surface. I'll extrude boss it to up to this surface. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch, we can see we have a circular cut here. Okay, and this circular cut has a dimension of 32 radius, and it has a extrude cut of in this way 28 unit. Then we can see we have another circular cut here, and this circular cut has a dimension of 30 radius, and it has the extrude cut of from this line to this line, so it will be 50 minus 28 unit. And last, not but the least, we have another extrude cut circle here, and this extrude cut circle has a diameter of 40 radius. Then we cut it to through all. Then we can see we have a circular cut ring, and for cutting this ring we can see we need to draw two circles. One is the outer circle here is 138 unit diameter, and the inner circle here is 120 unit diameter. Then I will extrude cut it to 8 unit. Okay, you can see we have extrude cut it to 8 unit. Okay, then we can see we have another circular cut in here, and this circular cut has a from this line to this line origin it has a distance of 43 unit, and its diameter is 20 unit. But I will extrude cut it to up to this line. For extrude cutting it to up to this line, first of all I need to draw a extrude cut hole in here in this upper face, and this upper face extrude cut circle has a 18 diameter, and I will to cut it to, you can see it has a to cut of 42 unit. We also have the dimension here is 42 unit, so is to cut it to 42 unit. So let's go back to our sketch and draw this portion. For that I am selecting the first rotate, selecting this face. Now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. After that select the circle tool from here and draw a circle of 32 radius, so 32 multiplied by 2. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now is to cut, now is to cut it to 28 unit. So it's to cutting it to 28 unit. Now press OK. Now again select this inner face, or you can select this outer face. If you select this outer face, that you will have to cut it to 50 unit, and if you select this inner face, you will have to cut it to 50 minus 28 unit. Okay, so I am selecting this inner face. Now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. After that select the circle from here and draw a circle of 30 radius, so 30 multiplied by 2, 60 radius. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now is to cut, now is to cut it to 50 minus 28 unit. Now press OK. So our cut, this cut portion has been done. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now select this back face, select this front face. Now sketch, now normal to it. Now select the circle and draw a circle of 40 diameter. So drawing a circle of 40 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now is to cut, now is to cut it to through all, or you can select this arrow and extend it. Now press OK. So this portion also has been done. Okay, now isometric it again for a better view. Now select this top face, now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. After that select the circle tool from here and draw a circle to the previous circle center line. Okay, drawing a circle of previous circle origin, and this circle has a radius of 24 diameter of 18 unit. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut, it has a extrude cut of 42 units, so dimension it to 42 unit. Now press OK. Again we have another extrude cut circle in here. For that I am selecting this face again. Now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. After that select the circle and draw a extrude cut circle of 20 diameter. So drawing a extrude cut circle of 20 diameter. Now is to select this one dimension and select this circle and select this origin. It has a distance of 43 unit, so dimension it to 43 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut, and this time select the view orientation, and from that select the top face. Now drag your arrow to here. Okay, because we don't want to it to get until through this, because we have to stop in here. Okay, so now press OK. So what this portion has also been done. Now isometric again for a better view. Now let's go back to our sketch. Okay, in our sketch we can see we have chamfer here, and also we have circular profile here, and this circular profile has a diameter of 18 diameter, and there is to cut to through hole. Okay, if we look back to our sketch, we can see we have a chamfer of we have a fillet of it is fillet, so we have a fillet of 18 radius. So 18 multiplied by 2, so we have a distance of 18 unit here and another distance of 18 unit here, so the total distance is 36 unit. And if we subtract 150 to 14, we will get 36 unit. So if we first fillet this two portion, fillet this 4 portion, okay, and after that from that fillet center point we draw this circle, we will get equal distance of 114 unit, because the fillet distance is same as the center line dimension. Okay, so let's go back to our sketch. So I'm selecting the fillet option from here, and this fillet has a dimension of 18 unit. Okay, radius 18. So I'm selecting this corner, and you can select, you can see if you hover your mouse, we can select, see the hidden line, or you can rotate or select the line. The both works. So I'm selecting this hidden line. Now select this line and select this upper line. Now press OK. So all the fillet has been done. Now isometric it for a better view. Now you can select this face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. After that, select the circle from here and draw the circle to the fillet origin. So this circle has a dimension of 18 diameter. So again draw another circle, 18 diameter. So same as here to the previous circle fillet line, fillet center. So 18. You can see we can see the previous fillet center line. So we have done all the circle. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now is to cut. Now is to cut it to through all. Okay, or you can select this arrow and extend it. Now press OK. After that, if you want to see our dimension is equal to 114 unit, you just go to evaluate option and now select measure. Now select these two circle. You can see this that center distance is 140 unit. If you see another circle, select another circle here. You can see this distance also have 140 unit and also 140 14 unit. So our dimension is correct. So as you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch, but we have to draw another cycle. You can see we have this circular cut. So for that we have to draw two circular cut. One is 138 unit and another is 120 unit. Then extend it to cut it to 8 unit. Okay, let's draw this portion. For that I'm selecting this face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. After that select a circle from here and draw a circle of 120 unit, and again select the circle tool and draw another circle of 138 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now we can see we have to extrude cut it to 8 units. So redimension it to 8 unit. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. So as you can see, we have done on 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.